Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my Emerson Casablanca Designer 36-inch ceiling fan in use. Now the last time you probably saw this ceiling fan was in my unboxing video of it, and that video is in the description below. So, as you can tell, like I said, it is installed in our kitchen, so there is a light kit on it, so you have light in the kitchen. It has a 30-watt Circuline fluorescent bulb, so that's quite interesting. And we'll turn it on here. And there you go. It's not very bright right now with all the lights on for the camera, but when all these other lights are off, it is quite bright. So we'll turn that back off. Now let's start the fan on high. Now there is only two speeds on this fan, high and low. And let me tell you, this thing pushes a lot of air. That is really fast. So there's high. Turn on the light so you can see what it looks like with the light on. And now we'll turn it to low. Low still pushes a good amount of air, but not as much as high, obviously. It is quite interesting that this fan does not have medium. I don't know why, but it seems like the 36-inch version of this type of fan has just high and low. Interesting. So there's low. Turn the light on again so you get a perspective of what that looks like. And we'll turn it off. So, there you go. My Emerson Casablanca Designer 36-inch ceiling fan in use. Hope you enjoyed this video, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.